Today I'm going to show you how to easily make this adorable scrunchie in less than 10 minutes, so let's get started. So start by cutting out a piece of fabric 24 by 4 inches and 9 inches of 1/4 inch elastic. Fold your fabric in half lengthwise, making sure that both right sides of the fabric are facing each other. Then grab your Speedo fabric glue, a Q-tip for precise application, and a dish or container lid to squeeze the Speedo onto. Keep your fabric folded open and give yourself half an inch of seam allowance and start applying a line of Speedo, then fold the fabric back over, apply pressure, and let that dry for 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's dry, open the fabric and finger press the seam and flip it over. Then match the top edges together and roll it up as skinny as possible. Then bring your bottom edges together and start applying glue along the edge as far as you can and let that dry for 2 to 3 minutes. And if you get some glue on your table while doing this, don't worry. Speedo easily comes off hard surfaces with some friction. Then once it's dry, you can pull the center fabric as much as possible, then repeat the same gluing steps, making sure you aren't getting any glue on the center fabric. Once you get close to the beginning, leave an opening that is about 1.5 inches wide. Once the glue is dry, grab your elastic and something to help you thread the elastic through the fabric. I used a pencil and it worked great. Once you have your elastic through, you can tie the two ends together, tying them like you're tying a balloon. Making sure to pull the knot tight, and you should have about 1 inch of elastic on the end. Now find the opening and pull the fabric and elastic right side out. Once the fabric is right side out, fold in the rough edges of the opening, apply Speedo, and then let it dry. And just like that, you created an adorable no-sew scrunchie using Speedo fabric glue. Thanks for watching!